Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review Quaker dark chocolate chunk chewy granola bar right here. Try it out. Boy, it's so annoying. I'm trying to do a video that says this, or it's really annoying because John had that same problem. He was trying to record on this. And this is like a giant box of like chocolate lovers or something like that. Amazon special for the Quaker chewy granola bars, like less than $12. So I got some. So it was a really good deal. And there's four different types, and this is the second type I'm reviewing. Like I said, dark chocolate chunk. Now I know. I think Gained Ortiz said I can eat in 3 bites. I try to eat these in 4 bites, but they're pretty small. But a dark piece of dark chocolate in there. They're good, very good, and flavorful. Dark chocolate. I don't see much difference between this and the regular chocolate chip ones. It's still really good. Maybe the Quaker dark chocolate chunk granola bar, 9 out of 10. No, it's forever in 5 or 6 bites. Hope you like this video. But until next time, please take care, my legion. Whole thing. Good. 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 Hmm. Take care. Bye.